Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of every update and interaction on your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable other notifications on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest update. Let's make sure you never miss a beat from your audience. First, open your preferred web browser and head straight to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu with all your available profiles and pages. From here, select the page you want to manage. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo in the top left corner. This will take you directly to your page's main dashboard. Now, it's time to dive into your settings. Look for the menu on the left side and find Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded options. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories on the left. Scroll down until you find Notifications and click on it. This is where you control all the alerts and updates you receive for your page. Within the Notifications section, look for the option labeled Other Notifications. Click on it to open additional notification preferences. Here's the crucial step. Find the toggle for Allow Notifications on Facebook and switch it on. By enabling this option, you'll start receiving all those important notifications directly on Facebook, keeping you informed about everything happening on your page. And that's it. You've now set up other notifications for your Facebook page. With these alerts enabled, you'll always be in the loop, ready to engage with your followers and grow your community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.